Zimbabwe President Mnangagwa throws Ramaphosa under the bus after he refused to condemn U.S. involvement in Maduro arrest, pressed at home for putting national interests first. Sadapita mashoko kubuda pangu anachonoka kwenzi President Mnangagwa wachisa Ramaphosa. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. At the World Government Summit 2026, President Emerson Mnangagwa was asked about the dramatic event in Venezuela last month when the United States launched a controversial military operation that resulted in the capture and the removal of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro, a move that shocked world leaders and drew global reaction. Well, Mr. Mnangagwa responded candidly, "I was stunned, yes. Venezuela is very far from Zimbabwe, yes, sir. But as a long-time head of state, you must pay attention when something of this magnitude happens. You cannot simply shrug it off because it's far away. From what we read, there are serious questions about why it happened. However, let me be clear. I do not want Zimbabwe to be involved in the internal affairs of another sovereign country. Our focus must be on our own people and our own stability." He went on to contrast Zimbabwe's stance with that of South African President Cyril Ramaphosa. He publicly condemned the U.S. action and urged the United Nations to intervene, a position many in Harare saw as overly confrontational and diplomatically risky. Ramaphosa's comments were framed by South African authorities as opposing U.S. imperialist aggression and a violation of international law, calling for Maduro's release. Mnangagwa said, "While others rush to condemn, we must ask ourselves what actual benefit such statements bring to our people. If Zimbabwe is to stand for anything, it is for peace, sovereignty, and doing what is in our national interest, not scoring cheap political points abroad." His remarks were widely reported and circulated after the summit, with the domestic praise from commentators and citizens who argued that he had put Zimbabwe's interests first and avoided aligning with either Washington or Pretoria in a polarizing international dispute. International reactions to the U.S. operations in Venezuela ranged from outright condemnation by many countries, including Africa and Latin America, who saw it as a dangerous precedent under international law, to more supportive or measured responses from leaders who welcomed Maduro's removal but stressed that respect for sovereignty and legal norms must be upheld. Toma developments are pomalizwa pena comment section medu za fundo in more today pamsoro page. So subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.